How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing and taking a close-up look at the Jordan 12 Taxi Lows in golf formation right here. I've got size 10. We can see the side of the tag right here. White, black, metallic gold Taxi Air Jordan 12 Low. Doesn't specify golf on the side of them, but they are the golf editions, as you will see when we open them up. So let's go ahead and open them. First, we do have this little pamphlet right here, Nike Golf, so we know they're for sure golf shoes. I mean, it's pretty obvious once we look at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take out our first one right here. We'll actually put it aside. We'll take the second one out, and then we'll get a close look at them once I put the box here aside. And let's look at these beautiful shoes. So we do have the white on the top. So it's white with the nice leather on the top. Then we have the black on the bottom area or the lower area. Then we do have the gold right here. As you can see, that nice gold for the laces. On the back right here, we can see the Jordan logo. It's kind of in a gold type of color as well. We do specify golf for the love of 18. It specifies on the back, number 23, of course, for Air Jordan, Mr. Michael Jordan himself. On the tongue right here, we do have the Air Jordan logo with the 2-3 written down. As you can see, white laces on here. Let's have a look at the bottom now right here. So there we go. So we know 100% these are the golf versions right here. So we have the Jordan logo just at the front right there. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spikes on here. And the nice thing about the spikes on this is these ones are the ones that are removable, replaceable. You can see they've got the little tool area right here and all the spikes. So you do want, probably if you have a tool right away, you do want to tighten them all up before you play your first round with these, just to make sure. There's higher quality spikes you can get if you want to replace these spikes, or if you use these ones and they wear out, then you can replace them, which is super, super cool. So the longevity of the shoe is definitely there. Let's have a look at the other one. I mean, very much of the same right here. I just love the white, the quality, the thickness. I have tried them on. They are very, very comfortable. I actually prefer the Jordan 12 in the low formation because I think the high ones are just too heavy, but the low ones, they look great. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the Jordan 12 Low Taxi golf versions.